Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. Here I just recently received 3 items from Otterbox. As you can see, these Otterboxes, they do mostly with cases and for your cell phones and stuff, but I saw something very interesting that I knew that I needed to get. And as you can see here, what these are called Otterbox Otterspot. And what these are wireless fast portable power chargers. And I know there's a lot of portable powers out there, and I have a lot of battery packs. But these are very interesting because what the Otterspot does is that you have one base with one charging pad, but you can stack two others up to 3. And each of these Otterspot can do 10 watts at 5,000 milliamps. But the base itself can do 36 watts. It's a 36 watt charging base. And so you can charge up to 3 of these on top of each other, stacked, while charging a wireless device too. So it eliminates a lot of the wires that you would need if you have multiple battery packs. So you can just take one off, charge, carry it around you, have 2 others. Or if you have a family, they can each take one, and then when they come back, they just stack it on top of each other to charge and ready to go for the next day. It only has 5,000 milliamps, which 10 watt speed, which it's kind of small. I wish it was like maybe 10,000 milliamps. That would be nicer. But I decided to give it a try, and as you can see here, these are one of the charging spots right here. This is the one without the base. It works with all QI enabled devices: Google, Apple, Samsung. You can see here it does up to 10 watt fast charging. Pretty nice box coming from Otterbox, which is a pretty well known company. As you can see here, this is another charging, and you can see the difference, right? So these are 2 portable ones, and this is the actual one portable and 1 base in here. So as you can see here, you can charge, it said up to 3, but you might be able to do more, I believe. But all these batteries also have LEDs on them, so you can show how much battery is left. And what I like about this is that it's USB-C for all of them, so which is really nice because nowadays everybody's moving towards USB-C. So let's get started. What I'll do is open these. Let me see what I want to do. I will open up these smaller ones first. Then I'll open up the main one. So as here, my trusty knife. And this one does not need to cut, actually. So let's go ahead and open this up. You can see here, it comes with the USB-C cable. And the actual Otterspot charging. And these are the Otterspot wireless instructions, just typical instructions. You can see you can stack multiple of them. You can put your phone, wireless charge, or it also has USB to USB-C, I think, or USB-C to USB-C charging. Sorry, my mistake. So here is the charging box. As you can see here, it does say Otterbox right here, USB-C charging, and as you can see here, you push the button. Right now it only has 1 light charging. So we can test to see if even with 1 light charging, see if it'll work. And as you can see, my phone starts charging already. Lift it up. Maybe I can do it closer. Let's do this closer so you can actually see if it actually comes on my phone. I'm holding it. And as you can see, the spinning, since I have a Samsung Note 9, the spinning charging sign. So we know that works. So I'm gonna open this other one right here, and then this other one actually needs my trusty knife. Not sure why that one did not have a bandage on it. So let's open up this other one. See here, another USB-C cable. And as you can see here, these are the stackable charging contacts right here. These are the little pins right here are sticking up. And these are the pins that receive the connectors, like male to female connectors. That's what they're usually called. And as you can see here, it's a magnetic pull too. So you can see that I barely put it together, and the magnet pulls and holds itself together. And as you can see here, how it stacks. Even with stacked, put it together, and my phone starts charging again. There we go. I'll cut it off, lift it up, and you can see the spinning, and it's charging. So there we have the two separate power packs. Now we have the main power pack. Well, it's not the main power pack, it's just another power pack, but this one has the base in it. So I guess I assume you can probably charge it without the base, but it'd probably be best to have the base. Just makes it easier. So you can see it's in a bigger package since there's more items in here. So we have a thicker, this is a USB to USB-C, and this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. And we have the charging right here, and this is USB-C, which I like. And you can see here, this is the 36 watt wall adapter. And here we have this is the actual base, which looks almost exactly like the disc itself. As you can see, the only difference is that it's thicker. The base looks very identical to the actual charging, to the actual battery packs. So as you can see here, same thing, male to female, and we would just stack these, and there is probably a magnetic pull. Yep, there's a magnetic pull. I would stack these together, and then I'll stack the other ones on top like this, each of them with a magnetic pull. Okay, let's plug this in and plug this USB-C cable in to the base and see how it charges. See how it charges the stacks that you can see here. The first one's getting a charge, second one's getting a charge, and then the third one, as you can see, is getting charged. So now as you can see here, all three lights are charging. The base is pumping out 36 watts. Each of these are 10 watts, so this should be more than enough. And on top of that, while it's charging, as you can see, the light is blinking right here. That means it's charging. Light's blinking. So it's charging. You can also charge your wireless device. And yep, you can charge your wireless device while you're charging the three bases. So like I said before, you would just take one out, other two still charges, take another one out, still charges, and by the end of the day, whoever has it comes back. All these are magnetic. Boom, boom, boom. And you should see lights flicker. As you can see here, they are. And then it's charging and it works. And there you have it. This is the unboxing and testing of the Otterbox Otterspot. I will, like all my other videos, I will put a link on where you can buy this. I purchased this directly from the Otterbox website. They do have some couple coupon codes that I'll include. I'm not sure if they're still valid, but I believe there's one coupon code currently. If you sign up, you can get $10 off. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment and please subscribe. And have a great day. Thanks everybody. Bye.